guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's almost 2 a.m. and I'm filming this video, and then I'll go take a shower and wash off all the makeup just for you guys. Today I'm gonna be doing a full face only using Brazilian products. I don't know if you're new to my channel. I moved to Brazil a few months ago and I am working here as a makeup artist, and I had to buy a few things here because I wanted to try out their products and I wanted to like get to know their stuff, and basically I don't know, like I just really love makeup and wanted to try out their things. And I'm gonna be doing a full face of stuff that I really love, that I truly enjoy and truly like. I also have a store here, a makeup store, so I got to know like a few of the products through my store. If you guys want to know anything more about my store and my job, I will do a separate video on that. One thing that I noticed when I moved here and started working as a makeup artist is that many makeup artists have their own brand. Like for example, this one is from a makeup artist, or this one is from a makeup artist. And also this is a holy grail product. Like let me explain this to you guys quickly. So basically this is like water drops, but these water drops are like SOS drops for your makeup. For example, you can put a little bit for example, you can put a little bit of this in your foundation and your foundation will be waterproof, or you can put it in your dried lipstick. Like this dog won't start barking. It's annoying. So for example, you can put a few drops of this into your foundation and your foundation will be waterproof. Or you can also put this in your dried lipstick and save your lipstick and reuse it, and it will be also waterproof. This is amazing. If you're a brand in the US and you want to get rich, like just invent this, because it's like in Brazil, people love this. It's amazing. So let's get started, right? I blubbered too much, I'm really sorry. So anyway, I will start off prepping my skin, and I will start off by using this skin freshener by Catherine Hill. I really love this. I also like using this on clients because it smells really good. So this just gets rid of like all the excess dirt on your skin. Now I will use a moisturizer. This is the Mary Kay Time Wise moisturizer. I know that they do sell Mary Kay in the US, but people here really like this brand, and it's like typical Brazilian women. They just really love. They're always like, oh, I have a Mary Kay foundation, and I'm just like, nice. I got to know this girl here. She sells Mary Kay, and I bought this moisturizer and I really like it. I don't like using primer, guys. I don't know why. Oh, actually, I do have something that is similar to a primer that I really love and will be showing to you guys. So now to this serum or primer, whatever you want to say it is. This is from this brand called Ruby Rose. So basically this has vitamin B5 and vitamin E in it. If you have oily skin, this is amazing because it gets rid of all the oils on your skin, like bad oil. We'll be putting on a little bit of this. Feeling like an Instagram beauty blogger right now. It smells really good too. It smells like some very kind of expensive perfume. This was also really affordable. Prepping your skin is important, guys. Like you don't want your makeup to look cakey or bad or like just dried and nasty. We don't want that. So it's really important to prep. And now I always love starting off with eyebrows, then eyes. Today we'll be trying out a new technique that I just saw on Instagram and I really wanted to try out. So let's hope it works. For eyebrows, I will be using this Ruby Rose eyebrow kit. Beauty bloggers here really love this one. So I bought it for myself. This was actually in my store and then I just kind of stole it for myself. I really wanted it. That's like the good part when you have a store, you can just keep stuff. So let's get started. Take this angle brush and use this dark color right here. So I will start right here. This arch, fill in. I do have microbladed eyebrows, guys, so it's not always as easy for me to fill them in as for other people to get that like ombre effect. They always look a little bit harsher on me. I really love how pigmented this is. It's good. And I know they look pretty dark right now, but as I said, I do microblade them and I'm sorry. So now I will prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, and I will be using this little baby right here. This is the Bruna Tavares concealer. She is also a YouTuber, I think, or just blogger. I'm not sure. I think she's a YouTuber. And I will apply this on my eyelids like this. I really like this concealer. It's buildable. It's really good. Yeah. Now we'll blend it out using this brush. This is by Mirella. This is also a Brazilian YouTuber. I really love this concealer kabuki brush. It's really good. Now for eyeshadow, I will be using this Belle Angel eyeshadow palette. This is so amazing. It smells like perfume, and I also sell this on my store. So if you were wondering, this is what my logo looks like. So I will start off by using this color right here. This one right here. This really peachy light orange for my crease. This is a beautiful, beautiful transition color. I also always like to make sure to sell stuff in my store that I truly like. So I just wanted this for this really nice transition shade. So I want you guys to understand what I'm gonna do. I'm basically gonna be applying this lipstick on my eyelids later on, and I want to apply a color now which is basically the same as the lipstick. So this is the color that I'm going for, this very light mauvey pink, and I'm using the same brush again. There's this arch right here on my eyebrow that I always feel like I can't put color on it. Like there is color, but it doesn't really appear on camera. It's really weird. So now I will apply this shade right here on my eyelids. Now I will be applying the lipstick, guys. I know it's really scary. But I will be using this lipstick right here from Ana Paula Marçal. This is in the shade Mirella, and I really love this. It smells so good. Like, she has some of the best liquid lipsticks. I just applied it on my nose. It smells so good. It smells like bubblegum. So I will be using this brush right here from the Mirella collection, and I will just put on a little bit of lipstick on the brush. I don't want to put the applicator on my eye. Then I'll take it and just apply it on my eyelid. I will blend it, start from the bottom and work it upwards. This looks very velvety and very pretty. Like, some people buy green lipsticks and black ones and blue, and I've always been like, why do they even launch that? And now that I'm working as a makeup artist, I really understand, because it really works as eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. So now I will be using this glitter right here. Like, this is called Butterfly Wings here in Brazil, and this is from the brand Ana Paula Marçal. She is a makeup artist here, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but like, this is so pretty, guys. Glitter everywhere, seriously everywhere. But this won't stick onto my skin if I don't use some type of glue or primer, and I will be using the Catherine Hill glitter glue. I don't really like this one, I have to be honest. Like, I do use it, it works, but I just ordered a liquid glue, and I'll just like dab it on my skin, not rub it, because it will remove my lipstick or the eyeshadow that I just put on. Now I will take the glitter with a brush and dab it on. This is so pretty. Like, there's glitter everywhere. So there's still a lot of glitter on my face, but it will go away with the foundation. And this is like the only thing that I don't like when it comes to working with these butterfly wings, because they are so super thin and it's really hard to remove them from your skin. So now for foundation, I'm gonna be using this one. This is the Base para Feminices from Bruna Tavares. This one is cruelty free and vegan, and it's super high coverage, guys. Like, it's super high coverage, trust me, you will see. So now we'll take the makeup as well as drops. So I just put a few drops of this and mix it into the foundation, and now I have this super dewy looking foundation. The foundation itself is very thick, so I really appreciate these drops. And also this brush right here is from the Mirella collection. So guys, look at this coverage. Have you ever seen a foundation like this? Like, Brazilians are not playing with you. they have such great things, like, and they're always asking for like MAC foundations. I'm not saying that MAC foundations are bad, it's one of my favorites, but they have such great stuff and they don't even know about it. Looks like I have a mask on. This is for sure one of my favorite foundations for work. I do have it in so many skin tones, including this really deep dark one. I do so appreciate this color. I know it looks like a mask right now. Don't worry, it will get better. So now we'll be using this sponge. I really love this. Look how squishy it is. Get rid of all the lines from the brush. So first when I moved to Brazil, I was like, oh my god, I have to buy like 7 eyeliners and 7 like eyebrow pencils before I go there, and I did it. I bought so many things, and then I came here and discovered all this amazingness, and I was like, every country has its beauty and you don't have to like always want your things. So now I'll be using this concealer again. This is the Bruna Tavares, and I will be applying it under my eyes, on my nose, here on my chin, there, and on my forehead as well. Also guys, I am not a huge powder fan. Like, I do use powder like throughout the day when I want some coverage and I don't want to use foundation, but when it comes to like doing my makeup, I really dislike baking. My sister really loves it, but I am not a huge fan of baking. I don't know why, it's just not my thing. So now I just highlighted my face using concealer, and now I will be using contouring. Guys, please don't laugh at me. So this is from my store, right? And I picked it and I dropped it accidentally, and now it's like all broken. So this is what it looks like. RIP bronzer. It's really affordable. It's like $1 maybe, or like even less. In dollars it's even less. I will apply it right here. I just feel like pigment sticks so much more to your skin when it's not powdered. For my nose, I will be using a thinner brush. This one is by BH Cosmetics. So now for blush, I will be using this Louison's, this is another amazing brand here, Mulheres Incríveis blush. This is what it looks like. It's peachy and super pigmented, like, can you see that? I only use like one blush, and it's the MAC Pinch Me. It's my favorite. Even on clients, I only use that one. I think, like, it's just so pretty. It looks flattering on everyone. Looks pretty. Now for highlighter, this is such an amazing product. I bought this the other day, and this is Right Tango. This brand basically likes to copy really popular products, and it's really cool. And I will be applying it using my beauty blender like this. So can you see that? It's extremely pigmented. Apply it, then blend it. Just like blend it out using, look how pigmented this. This is crazy, guys. Like, I'm telling you, Brazil has some amazing products, and it's so underrated. I really like the glowy skin look. Now we'll be finishing off the eyes, and I'm gonna be using this Ruby Rose black eyeliner and apply it on my waterline. A lot of it, guys, okay? Like lots and lots. So now I will take this brush right here and blend this black liner. So now I will take a brush that looks like this and use the darkest shade that we used last time, which was this one, and apply it right underneath the black liner. Like basically just put it on top of the black one. Now we're gonna be using eyeliner, and this is this eyeliner pen from Gucci. This one is really amazing. I really love how black it is. We're gonna be applying it right here on the lash line. So because the eyeshadow is very like nude, I decided to go for like a more dramatic eye contouring. Here we go. I just applied fake lashes from this brand called Hello Mini. I also had to cut them a bit because one was a little bit damaged. Now for mascara, I will be using this Trocta lengthening mascara, which I really love. This is so good, guys. I applied on my bottom lashes and right here. So now for a little bit more glow, just to set this liquid highlighter, I will be using this Ana Paula Marçal highlighter in the color Bronze Glow. And this is one of the most pigmented highlighters I have ever seen. I probably bought the wrong color. I wanted to buy the Golden Shock one, but I ended up buying this one, which is also nice because it works for darker skin tones as well. I will just, can you see that? Yep. Brave it in. Guys, like, this is crazy. So now last but not least, I will be using this lipstick, the same one that we used on the eyes. This is so gorgeous. I'm thinking of using her lip gloss as well, the Ana Paula Marçal one, just for like a glossier look. I really like this wet look. So now I will be using this fixing spray from Mary Kay. It smells like salad, like it's really weird, but it's the only one I have. I ordered the MAC one and I'm just waiting for it to arrive. And this is the finished makeup look. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys got to know many new products, and maybe that also you guys liked something. If you liked any specific product, let me know down below, because maybe I will be doing a giveaway on the next video. And so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to leave a comment down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time on my channel. Bye, guys.